Good morning, students. Yesterday I explained about the areas. So today I will take one more example. Find the area enclosed by the one arc of the y equal to sin x and the x-axis. All of you listen here. We have to know that when you take this is the x-axis and y-axis, the maximum value of sin x, everybody know that 1. The minimum value of sin x is the minus 1. When we are taking the 0 to pi, everybody know that the value of sin 90 is the 1, sin pi 0. This is called 1 arc. We have to know that the graph of the sine is just like this is called the 1 arc. Now we have to find this region. So we have to find the region of this part. Therefore, this curve is bounded by the two lines which are x equal to 0 and x equal to pi and the above x-axis. We have to take the region, the area, always we are taking the region above the x-axis and the line bounded by the curve x equal to 0 and x equal to pi, okay, and the x-axis. How to write this one? This is the required area A equals to A equals to 0 to pi. The boundaries are, the limits are 0 to pi. This is the curve y equals to sin x. Y equal to sin x. Okay, y equals to sin x. Y dx. Therefore, this is the y equal to sin x. This is the y equal to 0. Yes or no? The equation of the x-axis is the y equal to 0. This is the y equal to sin x. Sin x minus 0 is nothing but sin x. Yesterday I discussed about any two curves. Find the area of the any two curves. That means upper curve minus lower curve. Here the upper curve is the sin x. This is the y equal to 0. Therefore sin x y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2 dx. That means sin x minus 0 is the sin x. So the limits are 0 to pi. The curve is y equal to sin x. This is y equal to 0. That means we can write the area equals to the integral 0 to pi y1 minus y2 into dx. This is the required area. y1 is the here sin x, y2 is the 0, sin x minus 0 is the sin x. Now clearly this is integral of sin x. We know that this is the minus of cos x, which are the limits are 0 to pi. Now we can write the cos pi is the minus 1, minus cos 0 is the 1. We can write this is the 2. Okay, the cos pi is the minus 1, cos 0 is the 1, minus of minus plus. Therefore this is the area, 2 units. Okay. Now let us start second one. The area, find the area enclosed by the y square equal to 4ax with the lattice rectum. So find the area y square equal to 4ax find the area of y square equal to 4ax with its lattice rectum. With its lattice rectum. How to find this one? All of you listen here. So in the parabola, so we don't know parabola, about parabola, just now listen here. The parabola y square equal to 4ax. This is called the y square equal to 4ax. All of you listen here. This is the y square equal to 4ax. So this one you will learn in the parabola topic. Therefore this is the x-axis, this is the x-axis and y-axis. Therefore this is the origin. All of you listen here. This is the diagram of the y square equal to 4ax. This is called the focus. This is called the focus of the parabola. When the chord is perpendicular, when the double orbit is passing through the focus, then it is called the latus rectum. This is called latus rectum. This is called the latus rectum. The focus is the a comma 0. This complete information you will learn in the parabola. But this is called the parabola. All of you listen here. This is the parabola. So this is the focus. Therefore, this is called the line simply x equal to a. Is it clear or not? This is x equal to a. How to write this one? All of you listen here. This is completely above. Once you can observe here this part. The below above x-axis is this part. Below x-axis is the another part. How to write this one? You have to write the required area is the twice of the required area. The required area twice of what are the boundaries? X equal to 0. The equation of the y-axis we know that this is the x equal to 0. This is the line x equal to a. Therefore 0 to a. The boundaries are 0 to a. All of you listen here. 0 to a. What is the curve is? The curve we can take the y equals to root 4 is the 2 root of a into root of x. Y equals to we can take y dx. How many curves are there? This is the curve. This is the x-axis. Therefore x-axis means y equals to 0. Here the y equals to 2 into root a into root x. Yesterday we know that how to find the area between the two curves, that is y1 minus y2. Simply you can write here y1 minus y2 into dx. These y1 and y2 are in terms of x and the limits are also x. This is you can write 0 to a. Okay, this is how to write 0 to a. This is y and this y0. Why we are taking the twice? Above x-axis one part is there, similarly another part is there. Now we can write y dx, that is twice into integral. All of you listen here. The 0 to a y dx. Y dx is the 2 into root a into root of x dx. Root of x dx. Now we can write this is, how to write this one? We can write this is 2 into root a. The integral of root x, we have to know that the integral of root x is the x power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Is it clear? Okay. The x power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Then it will come, then you can write this is 2 into 2 is the 4. That can be written as 4 by 3 into root a. The x power 3 by 2. We have take the limits are 0 to a. Now this is 4 by 3 into root a. This is you can write a into root a. Okay, minus 0. After you can write this is root a into root a is the, now you can write 4 a square. Just you can miss 2. Is it clear or not? Okay, how to write this one? Okay, this is right. 4a by, yes, the small mistake is there here. The twice into, all of you 1 minute. 0 to a, 2 root a, okay, 2 root a of x. So here the small mistake we find out. The small mistake is the here 2 into 2, undoubtedly 4. 4 into root a, okay. The integral of the root x is the x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Therefore now we can write this is 2 4 jar is the 8 by 3. Clear? 8 by 3. Now we can put a power 3 by 2 is the a root a. Therefore now this is, how to write this one? 8 by 3 root a into root a, 8 by 3 a square. 8 by 3 into a square units. Okay. Now one more method is there. This we got, just you can remember it. So this is the 8 by 3 square units. What is the another method? Suppose we can take here the another method, or all of you listen here. The what is the another method? The another method is, so here why will we take this one? Suppose we are taking here, this is x equal to y square is given that 4ax. This is the line, all of you listen. This is the line x equal to a. we have to don't take boundaries, just listen. We have to take the line x equal to a, this one. This is the graph y square equal to 4ax. Just now I will take the boundaries in the on the x-axis. That means integral 0 to a, we can write the sending to the other side 2 into root a into root x, but this is the above x-axis, that's why we are taking the twice, this region and this region. So the another method is, so when we are taking the boundaries y, how to take the boundaries y? This is the line x equal to a. Now this is the x equal to a, substitute in this. Y square equals to 4a into a, that is plus or minus 2a. These are the boundaries of plus or minus 2a. All of you listen here. How to find this area? So just 1 minute. When we are taking the graph here, okay, when we are taking the graph is this one. This is the line x equal to a. This is the focus a comma 0. This is the line. What is the line? X equal to a. This is the y-axis. Just now we find a comma to a. This is the pointer a comma to a. These are the point of intersections. This is the a comma minus to a. Right now we got, when we are taking x equal to a, when we are taking x equal to a, that implies this is the 4a square. So now we got y equal to plus or minus 2a. Then this is the line, this is the x-axis, y equal to 0. This is the line parallel to the, this is the 2a, this is the minus of 2a. Is it clear? So this is the parallel, this is the parallel to the x-axis. That means this is the line y equals to minus 2a. This is the line y equals to plus 2a. All of you listen here. How to write the area? These are the boundaries. This is the curve. Okay. This is the line. So when we are taking the boundaries are these two. These are the two boundaries. This is the line and this is the curve. Now we can take the area between, the complete area between. How to find this one? Now when we are taking these boundaries, the area is this one. So how to write this one? The required area. All of you listen here. The integral minus 2 to 2a. Is it clear? When we are taking the limits or boundaries or the y, that's mean minus of x1 minus x2 into dy. Yes. How to get this one? Minus 2a to 2a, x1 minus x2 2a. What is the x1? What is the x1? All of you listen here. This is the upper curve. This is the lower curve. This is the line. x1 is the a. Yes. This is the limit minus 2 to 2a. First you can take a. x1 is the a. Another one is the x2 is the, we can write y square by 4a dy. We can think the arrangement is always, when you are taking the limits of y, undoubtedly the integral variable also y, the function in y. So here x2 is in y. Is it clear? This is the constant function. The a is the constant function. Okay. Therefore, now we are writing here the integral. All of you listen here. We have to know that integral a into 1 into dy. That is 1 into dy is the y. Ay. Now this is minus of y cube. Minus of y cube by 12a. The limits are minus 2 to 2a. Yes. The minus 2a. This is the ay. This is y cube by 12a. How to find this one? First you can put the substituting the upper limit. There it is. 2a into a. 2a square. 2a into a is the 2a square. Now this is the minus of 2a whole cube. That is the 8a cube. Is it okay? Now you can write y cube is the 2a whole cube upon 12a. Upon 12a. Now we can write this is the minus of, now this is the, you can write minus 2a square. This is the minus 2a into a is the 2a square. Now you can write minus 2a whole cube is the, okay now, minus 2a whole cube is the plus, Okay, now minus 2a whole cube is the plus 8a cube upon 12a. Therefore, now this is minus of minus plus, then it is the 4a square. 4a square. Now this is the, you can write minus 16a cube by 12a. This is the 4a square. We have to know that. We have to know that 4 4s are, okay na, 4 4s are, one time a cancel, 4 3s are. Then you can write this is 12a square minus 4a square by 3. What is the answer? 12 minus 4 is the 8a square by 3. This is the answer. Already we find that when we are taking the limits 0 to a, already we got that 8a square by 3. This is the another method. Okay, when we are taking the boundaries or the y, we got this one 8 by 3, 8a square by 3. Okay, find the area enclosed by between y square equal to 4ax and the line y equal to mx and the line y equals to mx and the line y equal to mx. All of you listen here. Just now we discuss. What we are discuss? The diagram of y square equal to 4ax is this one. Everybody know that. What do you know that? This is the y square equal to 4ax. The line y equal to mx, which is passing through the origin. So this is the another intersecting point. This is the curve y square equal to 4ax. This is the line y equal to mx. This is a straight line which is always passing through the point. The line cuts again the parabola this point. Now we have to find this area. We have to find this area. Now this is y-axis. Y-axis means x equal to 0. We got the one boundary. Now we have to find this boundary. This is the x-axis. After that you can write upper curve minus lower curve. Now we are looking to find the another boundary. This value. How to find this one? Just now here the curves are given by y square equal to 4ax and another curve is the y equal to mx. Y equal to mx. That is the substitute in this. Then it will be m square x square equals to 4ax. M square x square equal to 4ax. After we are taking the x, then it will m square x minus 4a equal to 0. Yes, we are taking the x, that is m square x minus 4a. Now we are taking the first x equal to 0. After that x we got minus 4a is the plus 4a by m square. This is the 0. This is the 4a by m square. Is it clear or not? Therefore, how to write this one? These are the limits x equal to 0 and another one is the 4a by m square. So now we are find the area, the required area. Area equals to, the boundaries are x limit integral 0 to 4a by m square. So this is the point we have to find also point. X is the 4a by m square, y is the 4m square, you can substitute here 4a by m. What is the point is there here? The x is the 4a by m square. What is the y? We can substitute 4a by m. Here the point is not necessary. We have to only look into the x equal to 4a by m square is the line. Therefore, that's why we are taking the limits are 0 to 4a by m square. So here the point is not necessary. So therefore here when we are taking the limits 0 to 4a by m square, these two limits are x. That right, y1 minus y2. This is the curve. What is the curve here in between the first quadrant? This is the plus. Therefore, now we can write this is 2 root a, square is standing other side, root x, okay, minus mx. Okay, is it clear? y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2. Yesterday I draw the graphs. When the two curves are there, undoubtedly you can write the two curves are bounded by the lines x equal to a and x equal to b. Then the required area is integral a to b y1 minus y2 into dx. Therefore, how can you write this is the y1 is 2, okay, root 4 is the 2 root a root of x, and another one is mx. Another one is the mx whole of dx. Now we can look here that twice into root a, the root of x. What is the root of x? X power 3 by 2. This is the x power 3 by 2 upon 2 by 3. Upon 2 by 3 minus, is it okay? Minus m into x square by 2. Okay, these are the limits you can apply. 0 to 4a by m square. 4a by m square. This is the 2 root 2 x power 3 by 2. Now, when you can take in 0, lower limit 0, 0. We can only substituting the upper limit. Okay. Therefore, the required area. How to write the required area? A equals to, this is the right x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. What is the integral form? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is sending to the numerator 2 into 2, 4. 4 by 3, yes, 4 by 3 root a. The x you can substituting, what is the x is? 4a by m square whole power 3 by 2. Yes, this is m by 2 x square. M by 2 x square is the 16 a square by, that is m square is the m power 4. Then you can substituting the lower limit 0. Now this is, all of you listen here, 4 by 3 root a. Now here 4 can be written as a 2 square. 2 square and by 2 cancel, 2 cube is the 8. A power 3 by 2, we know that a into root a. In the denominator m square is there, we got m cube. Now this is m by 2. Okay, this is one time m cancel, 2 8s are 8a square by 2 8s are 8a square by m cube. Okay. Therefore, the next, what you get next? This is 4 into 8, 32. Root a into root a into a square by 3m cube minus 8a square by m cube. Now we can take the LCM is the 3m cube. What is the LCM? 3m cube is the LCM. The 3m cube by, this is the 32a square, m cube cancel, minus 24a square. 32 minus 24 is the 8. That is the required answer is the 8a square. Yes, 8a square by 3m cube square units. The area always write in the units, square units, measures in square units. Okay, 8a square by 3m cube. Just wait. Note chestava. Just you can do it. Now, dear students, we have to find the area of enclosed between the two parabolas y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4by. Here there are two parabolas. Just now we know that the diagram of this one. Here this is the graph of x square equal to 4by. This is the graph of, this is already know that. This is the y square equal to 4ax. These all graphs, okay, you can learn in the parabola, okay, parabola topic, okay. This is the x square equal to 4by. This is the symmetric about the y axis. Y square equal to 4ax is the symmetric about the x axis. Now these two are, when you can take origin, substituting origin, 0 equal to 0, put x and y 0, this is also satisfied. We have to know that these two are passing through the origin. That means we have to know that one boundary is the y axis. One boundary is the y axis. That means x equal to 0. Y axis means x equal to 0. Now we have to find this boundary. Then you have to find this area. Now we have to find this one. How to find this one? So the given parabolas are, suppose this is sending to the other side. What you get here? The y equals to, what is the y? The y equals to, simply we got y equal to x square by 4b. Is it clear? The y equal to x square by 4b. Now the first curve is y square equal to 4ax. The first curve is y square equal to 4ax. Now this is substituting this. What you got here? The x power 4, that is x power 4 by 16 b square equal to 4ax. Now we are taking the common is the x. Therefore this is the x cube by 16b square minus 4a equal to 0. Now we are taking the x is the common. Then it is x into x cube is the x power 4 minus 4a. Now we can write this is x, this is the x cube, this is the 64ab square equal to 0. Okay. Therefore this is x cube minus 64ab square. Now the first factor 0 and second factor 0. When you are taking the first factor is 0, this is x equal to 0, yes, and the second factor will be, what is the second factor will be this one. This is, you can write x cube equal to 64ab square. 64ab square. How to write this is, you can write the x equals to, this is the 4 cube, this is the b square whole power 1 by 3. Now the x equal to 4 cube means 3 cancel, this is the 4, a power 1 by 3, b power 2 by 3, this is the x. The first one x is 0 and second one is this one, 4 a power 1 by 3, b power 2 by 3. This is the another boundary. Okay, this is the another boundary. Now we are getting the limits are 0, the required area 0 to, another one is 4 a power 1 by 3, b power 2 by 3. Okay, 4 a power 1 by 3, b power 2 by 3. Now we can write what are the curves are here. This is the upper curve, yes, this is the lower curve. When we are taking the limits are x, we can write y1 minus y2 into dx. That means integral 0 to 4 into a power 1 by 3, b power 2 by 3. This is the curve. Now we can write the square is sending other side. Root 4 is the 2. Root a. This is the root of x minus, what is the y is here. The y you can sending other side, x square by 4b into dx. When you can take y1 minus y2, this is the upper curve, this is the lower curve. Therefore you can write in terms of x, Since here this is the integral variable is the dx, therefore square is sending other side. Root 4 is the 2, root a, root x. Here y, the 4b is sending other side, x square by 4b. That is nothing but y1 minus y2. Therefore, now this is 2 into root a. What is the integral is? X power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. The limits are 0, 4 into a power 1 by 3, b power 2 by 3. That is the first integral. Now, what is the x square is? The x square is the x cube by 3. 4 3s are is the 12b. The limits you can write 0, 4a power 1 by 3, b power 2 by 3. Okay. Now you can write here. How to write this is 2 root a. That means we can write this is 2 2 ja 4 by 3 root a. All of it is, and first you can substitute the 4. 4 means 2 square. 4 is the 2 square. 2 2 cancel. That is the 8. After that you can substitute the a power 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 3 by 2. 3 3 cancel. A power 1 by 2 is the root a. Now we can substitute the b. Therefore 2 by 3. Yes. 2 by 3 into 3 by 2 is the 1. B power 1. When we are taking the 0, this is the 0. Okay. Minus of 0. 0 power anything? 0. Now the next one. How to write the next one? Minus 1 by 12b. This is, first you can substitute the 4. 4 cube is the 64. 4 cube is the 64. Here this is a power 1 by 3. 3 3 cancel a. This is the b power 1 by 3 into 2 by 3. 3 into 3 3 cancel b square. After you can write here, what is the here? Now you can write this is 4 3s are 4 16s are. Now here the remaining 8 4s are is the 32. 8 4s are is the 32. Root a into root a is the a. This is the b by 3. Now here this is the 16 is there. A is there. Now we can write b one time, cancel 16ab by 3. Now the LCM is 3. LCM is the 3. 32 minus 16. That is the 16ab by 3 square units. This is the answer. Okay. 16 by 3. Okay. 16ab by 3 square units. Okay. Suppose find the area. All of you listen here. One question is there. Find the area enclosed between y square equal to 4x, y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4y. This is y square equal to 4x. Yes. This is x square equal to 4by. How to compare this one? The first curve is 4a equal to 4. The value of a is 1. Suppose is there 8. We can take 8. This is x square equal to 4by. Then it is a compare with 4b equals to 8. Therefore b value equal to 2. Therefore when you know that the formula, directly you can substitute in that. The area enclosed by the curves y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4by. Just now we prove that 16ab by 3. What is the answer? 16ab by 3. Therefore, these two values are substituted in that. The required area 16ab by 3. That is 16 a into b. 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is the 2 by 3. That is the 32 by 3 square units. Okay, that is enough. The area enclosed by the curves y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4by is the 16ab by 3. Okay. The area, this is the one of the important one. The area enclosed. The area enclosed by the ellipse. By the ellipse x square by a square y square by b square equal to 1 is the pi ab square units. Pi ab square units. Also deduce the area of the circle. Also deduce the area of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. This is the question. First of all, the area enclosed by the ellipse is given at pi ab, and also the area of the circle is, and also the area of the circle. How to find this one? So ellipse topic is there in coordinate geometry. The ellipse is the diagram like this. This is the ellipse. This is the ellipse. All of you listen here. This is the ellipse. Okay. So the ellipse is this one. Now we can find the area of the first quadrant. Area of the first quadrant. Therefore here this is the origin. How to write? How to get this boundary? How to get this boundary? The ellipse intersect the x-axis. The ellipse intersect the x-axis is, what is the ellipse? X square by a square. The y square by b square equal to 1. When we are taking the y0, x square equal to a square. Therefore, x square equal to a square. X equal to plus or minus a. Here this is the a comma 0. This is the minus a comma 0. These are the boundaries. So we have to first find the only one quadrant area. Then you can, the required area is the 1 plus q1 plus q2 plus q3 plus q4. Those are equal 4 times of. You can write 4 times of. Therefore, the required area, all of you listen here. At the same time, we have to take in here, how to take this one? Y square by b square equal to 1 minus x square by a square. Therefore, y square equal to b square, the LCM is the a square minus x square by a square. The y equals to, we can write b by a under root of a square minus x square. This is the y. Okay. Now we can write the required area. Its a solution is, all of you concentrate. The required area. What are the limits? 0 to a. The 4 times of, we can take the 4 times of 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times of 0 to a. The required area is 4 times of 0 to a y dx. This is the curve. This is the x-axis. That means y equal to 0. This is y equal to this one. This one minus this one. So this is the above curve. That means this one minus this one. y1 minus y2. Again get this one. These are the limits x equal to 0. This is the line x equal to a. This is the line x equal to a. Therefore, the y-axis is x equal to 0. This curve is bounded by. Therefore, this minus this one. We got simply 0 to 4a. Y dx is the b by a under root of a square minus x square dx. Now we can write this is area equals to 4 into b by a. How to write this one? This is the formula of integral a square minus x square. This is, we know that 9 standard indefinite integrals. The first one is root of a square minus x square. 1, 2, 3. Now think it is the 6th one. Root of a square minus x square is the x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. Is it clear? X by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. What are the limits? 0 to a. Now this can be written as 4b by a, substituting x equal to a square minus a square, a by 2, a square minus a square 0, root 0, 0, 0 into this one 0. Now we can, this is when you can substituting a by a 1. 1 is the value of sine 90, sine inverse sine cancel 90, that is a square by 2 pi by 2. Is it clear? How to get this one? Please tell me here. A by A is the 1. 1 is the value of sine 90. Sine over sine cancel. A square by 2 pi by 2. After that, we can substituting 0. You can substituting the lower limit 0 into this value 0. Yes, 0. Plus when you taking x equal to 0, 0 by A 0. 0 is the value of sine 0. This is also 0. Therefore, we can written as this one 4b. Yes, 4b. Yes, 4b. One time A cancel. This is the A cancel. Pi A by 4. Is it clear? This is the one time A cancel. That is the A into B, AB. Therefore, pi is there. After that, 4 cancel. What is the required area? Pi AB. This is our required area, one of the important one. When all of you listen here, also deduce the area of the circle. When A equal to B, the ellipse become a circle. Is it clear? When A equals to B, the ellipse become a circle. Therefore, here the area of the circle is, if A equal to B, you can write, if A equals to B, finally you can write, if A equals to B, then the area of the circle, is pi A. That is the pi A square. Okay, this is the pi A square. When the radius is A, we know that the area of the circle is pi r square. That is the pi A square. Okay, if A equal to B, the ellipsis become a circle. This is today's students. Okay, practice once again these sums. Thank you all.